Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video I have a double Chanel unboxing to do with you guys. So the first one is gonna be this baggie over here, and then I have something very special in this box, and I actually teased this one on my Instagram and everyone was curious, but nobody guessed what it is. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxing. So if you're interested in any of these topics, why are you still not subscribed to my channel? Just hit the red button down below, turn on the bell and join our little Lex community over here. And you can also follow me on Instagram, it's at BonjourAika. And with that said, let's finally get into unboxing these items. So the bag that I went for is this little cutie. How ridiculous, but how adorable at the same time. This is the tiniest bag that I own. I honestly never thought that I would be a person to purchase such tiny handbag, but apparently I am, and I'm loving it. It is honestly the cutest thing ever. This is the Chanel mini Vanity. I don't even know how to call it. It's not mini, it's nano, micro. I have no idea what the right name is, but it's ridiculously small, and it looks like it's useless, but it can actually fit quite a bit of things, like very tiny little essentials, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. So I showed this bag on my Instagram about 3 weeks ago once I purchased it, but I had to leave the next day and I honestly didn't have any time to film the unboxing back then. Plus, anyway, if I would have filmed it back then, you still would be watching this video now because I pre-recorded all of my content for March. So I basically took a whole month off, which felt really great, but it's also good to be back. Anyway, if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen this little baby. And I see a lot of influencers get this bag now. So recently I watched Cassie's video. She got the same one, but in pink. And also Maria, she has the same one, but in white with gold. And originally I was supposed to get the white with gold hardware, but I thought it was a little bit too girly and I kind of was impatient again because I had to leave the next day and this bag came in the very last minute. So I decided to go for it and no regrets because I absolutely love it. Another reason I've decided to go for silver, because I mean I could have waited, is because the white one looked pretty similar to my Bobby bag. I know they're completely different bags, but the look itself seemed very girly and very similar to the Bobby bag, and I wanted something a little bit more sporty and edgy, something that I could wear with both jeans and dresses, let's say, and something more casual and relaxed. And I thought silver is perfect. Pink never made it to Switzerland, so it was not an option. And so here we are. It is in this beautiful shiny caviar leather in silver color, and all the hardware is also in silver. I really love this little CC charm on the zip over here. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna post some close-up shots. I love this microscopic top handle. I think it's so cute. It's not even for your hand, it's like for 1 to 2 fingers max. This is basically how I've been holding this bag if I didn't wear it crossbody, but otherwise I love wearing it crossbody. I think the strap is the perfect length. It's not too short, but it's not too long at the same time. I think it's really perfect. One thing is that it's not detachable, so you cannot remove the strap. And another thing, because it's not detachable and it's attached to the top handle, we were trying with my essay to sort of style it as a little belt bag, but it didn't work because once again you can't really do much with the strap. It's the whole bag. One thing that really fascinated me is that if you take a closer look, this bag is not really symmetrical, and that's because all of these bags are handmade, and since it's super tiny, it's very difficult to be like 100% precise. But I don't look at this as a flaw. I think it's something really special and super cute. I was also afraid that this bag would be a little bit more delicate. Well, it's looking good so far. I already wore it so much on my holiday and I've been loving this bag so much, and I had no issues with it. Even though it's a full silver bag, I could still mix it with my gold jewelry or some gold accessories on my outfit, so there was not a problem. So now let's move on to the price. It is extremely expensive. It's 1,500 Swiss francs, which is a lot of money. And I mean, you can get a full size, like a regular sized purse for that money. You can go for something from Saint Laurent or Louis Vuitton, or maybe even Dior, something like a camera bag, Gucci. So there are a lot of different options for that money. And I know this bag is probably not worth 1,500 Swiss francs, but to me, I don't see it as a bag itself. I think calling this a bag is sort of a joke, you know, because I mean, it's too tiny. To me, it's more of an accessory, like a necklace or something similar to that, something you wear crossbody to tie the whole look together, or maybe elevate your look. This is how I see this tiny little purse, and I also tried it with my 19 bag, which is also in gray color, and both of these bags on me together looked pretty cool and stylish. So I think on a daily basis, if I still need to carry more things with me, I could easily grab a regular size bag and then wear this as a cute little accessory over the shoulder. There is nothing wrong with doing that. Although it might look ridiculous, these little pieces, they actually hold their value, and especially such special ones. So even if in 2, 3, 5 years I want to sell this bag, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get my money back, if not more, because they increase in price all the time, you know. So I think next time when this trend comes back, in let's say 10 years, this bag is not going to be 1,500 anymore. It's probably going to be like 3,000 Swiss francs. And I'm not even exaggerating, because price increases in Chanel are real and they're big. Now let's just open the bag and see it on the inside, because I feel like I've been talking for too much. So this is what the bag looks like inside. I have some paper and it's in this gray lining. And it's so cute, it's so tiny. I mean, it's so tiny. When I saw this bag in store for the first time, when I went to pick it up, I showed it to my husband, and at first he like put his head up, and then I could see it on his face how shocked he is by the size of this bag. He was like, "Is this the bag? Are you sure it's the bag?" And he was so surprised. He was like, "This is ridiculous, it's not a bag." I'm like, "I know, it's like an accessory." This is what it looks like, and you know, I can fit a card holder, but a very small one. The one I have from my Kirigami pochette, so the tiniest pochette, it fits inside. Then I can also fit my lip balm, I can fit my AirPods, and I'm pretty sure you can fit like a tiny little hand sanitizer. My hand sanitizer is pretty big, so there is no way it can go in this bag. And that's pretty much it. All of the essentials, the tiny essentials, can for sure fit inside. And for the phone, whenever I use this bag, I just hold it in my hand or put it in my pocket if I have one. That's just how it works with this tiny little bag. It's really cute. There is no room for extra pockets inside, so don't expect that. But it's still pretty cute. It says Chanel, made in France over here in silver. You cannot really see it, but this is the bag, and this is actually series 31, so it's the latest series. So what do you guys think? I know this is such a ridiculous purchase, but it's the cutest item from the new collection. We all should agree on that, and I really wanted it in my life. I think it is so cute. Now let's move on to the next item. I have this box over here, and as I mentioned before, this is such a special piece and so unique. I haven't seen it anywhere, but I was flying by Dubai, so I had a connection there, and I saw Chanel. I wanted to pass by and see if they had anything cool, and they had a lot of things from the new collection. I mean, they had better stock than Geneva stores, and it was at the airport. I cannot even imagine what Chanel looks like in Dubai, in like Dubai Mall or something. But I saw this piece when I was just going to my vacation, but I didn't buy it. I hesitated for some reason. Of course, it took my breath away, but on the way back, I went back to Chanel and it was still there. I had to get it. I mean, I couldn't stop thinking about it for the whole 2 weeks I was on my holiday. So here we are. Let's finally unbox this beautiful piece. I opened it once when I just arrived to show it to my husband, and he really loved it as well. So I'm super excited. I wrapped it back up and never opened it again, and it's been a week. 10 days? I think, yeah, it's been 10 days. Here is the box. And the beautiful dust bag. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you could guess what this is, and nobody could guess. Nobody. So that's actually really good. You're gonna be surprised. So are you ready? We've got the Chanel Bijou little booklet, and ta-doo! Have you guys seen anything like this at your local Chanel store? Oops. So what I got is this gorgeous Chanel brooch, and it's so stunning. Yes, it's a brooch, it's not the earrings, and I haven't seen anything like this before. I think it's beautiful. So this brooch consists of 6 brooches. So they're all individual brooches, the C, H, A, and EL. It's in this champagne gold hardware. It is so beautiful with the crystals inside. This brooch is just so fabulous, and it's so versatile. And I mean, you can wear all these letters individually. So for example, my name is Aika. I can just wear an A somewhere on my jacket for my name, for example. So I asked the essay there for different ways of how I can possibly style this brooch, and she told me you can just put it on your jacket at the back, and it will just say Chanel, or you can put it like this. You can do so many different things with it. Another way she told me I could wear this is, for example, if I wear, let's say, a denim jacket or something like that, I can pin Sha over here and then Nell over here. So if I put my 2 hands together, it will say Chanel all together, and I thought it's just so amazing. Haven't tried it on anything, and I'm just super excited to finally start using this brooch and styling it with my outfits. And I will be posting more photos of it on my Instagram, or how I style it on my Instagram. So if you're interested, follow me there. And what do you guys think? But let me show you a couple as an example. So for example, here is the letter C. So here is an A, and they're just so beautiful. Price point, yes, it was very expensive for a brooch, but I mean, I got 6 brooches in one, and I paid $1,450 USD. It is a little bit expensive, but if you think about it, individual brooch at Chanel is around 500 USD, 550. So paying 1,450 for all 6 of them seemed like a good deal. I don't know, I cannot tell. I know I'm crazy, but I mean, could you resist it? It's so beautiful. Anyway, this is it for my today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!